I have no idea where today's vlog is gonna go. I just felt like today would be a good day to vlog and that I should probably vlog today. A week or so ago, someone broke into my freaking car. So this glass in the back was actually shattered and I changed it that day. Let's go, dude, what the fuck? So now I'm going to go to the window tint place for a retint because I can't do that. I just, one glass is just not tinted and it looks like it's open all the time. Dude, I'm so excited. No more fishbowl.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, where you at?
I'm on my way to see you.
Are you gonna go to Nifty?
Yeah, I'm going to Disney. Oh, fuck. There's a cop right here. Holy shit. Just brought me to see with some long ass exhaust, dude. So it's like, I don't know what's gonna happen now.
Oh, heck no.
Oh my god, dude, I'm so scared right now because that cop literally just spun his light. And I think he's trying to do a U-turn.
Oh, fuck no!
Oh, fucking out. No!
Oh, hell no, dude, hide!
I am out of here. I'll take you side street.
Ah, what the hell? What are you doing?
This is no joke right now. I'm running from the police. Don't come to California. If this is going to be on your vlog, stay in Georgia. Stay in Georgia. Stay in Georgia.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Oh!
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Wow.
I'm cornered!
Dude, I feel like I haven't seen this thing in so long, bro.
Hey, what's up everyone? How you guys are doing? If you haven't, make sure you guys subscribe to Johnny's account. Go to his Instagram, get him to 1,000 followers so he could video this. So if you guys wanna have Johnny, make a cool video of the Z, go down there and comment, shoot the Z. Thanks guys.
Fuck my channel, subscribe to his. You're a freaking star, man. You're a star.
I honestly put that there just so you get some recognition.
Yo, while we're waiting on Nifty, you want to help me install something on the Lexus?
Of course, let's do it.
Tight. Okay, so we're modding the Lexus today, but it's for a really good purpose. We're installing these guys today. Remember this used to be in my Z? This is going to my Lexus now because I'm not getting that stupid ass ticket again. I don't know if I put it on the vlog before, but like I got a ticket a few weeks ago for filming and hanging out in my car. No seatbelt ticket in California, stupid expensive. Oh, baby. Oh. I just need you to sit right here. Like, sit like you're hanging out of the car, like you're holding a camera. Oh, tight, heck yeah. Dude, new Lexus mod.
I'm vlogging Polly's car.
Yo, that's tight. Dude, this is about to become a straight media car right here.
This is gangsta as fuck though, I won't even lie.
That's fucking boss, yo. Yo, fuck California Highway Patrol. Oh, is that Nifty? Dog. Okay, for sure, I'm getting white wheels.
Dude.
That's fucking tight.
How hard is this right now?
No, that's so tight.
If you guys think Johnny should buy these wheels from Nifty and put them on the Lexus, go comment below right now because I think this looks fucking sexy.
That's baller, dog. That's fucking baller. I swear, every time I'm around a Z, the fucking owner's got me working on it, doing some kind of shit on it. I'm so amped, man. I have to get the Z out here. Yo, one thing I learned about being in California, always have your camera on you. You have no idea what's gonna happen the next day. I was just gonna go to this fool's house, chill, hang out, maybe install something on the Lexus.
And learn from that rule because I didn't bring my shit, so now here I am vlogless.
But it's okay, cause he's on my vlog. Dude, first Nifty, now Premium? Yo, here at Premium. What the fuck is this? Yo, that's number 2 today. Oh, hell nah. Yo, why is Johnny at Premium so nice, bro? Straight up. Yo, get the butt cheeks wet.
I low-key just nutted in my pants. Oh my god. It's happening.
Dog.
Insane. This is insanity right now. Oh my god.
It's just fun. It's not funny. Oh. Okay. That's peace, bro.
Dude, hey, later, dude. Come pick me up later, okay?
Peace, man. You can take the Lexus. Peace out, bro. Just This is high. Fucking baller, bro.
Dude, how do you feel right now, Johnny?
Nutgasm. What? That's like double-gasm. Nutgasm.
Dude, nutgasm. Look at this. Holy shit. This is insanity right now. Look at this. Bruh.
In your car? In my car? You guys still in the car?
Dude, we're ready to buy it.
Hey, you can have it.
We are ready to buy it.
Straight up. Don't tease, man. Don't tease.
Thing's tight, right?
Don't tease, bro. And I heard you got some tails for this guy.
I do, man. Can we fire up the tail?
Dude, the RB's insane, and the color's crazy.
Dope motor. It's in there. So I have a one over there, sitting ready to go. I gotta take this one out because it's got a knock.
No, does it?
Yeah. So we'll pull that one out. We'll put this one in. We'll dress that one all up once we get pulled out, because obviously that one looks really good. We'll remove all the parts, put it on this one. We're gonna do like upgrade oil pump, a couple different things here and there just to get some power out of it. The goal with this engine is gonna be around 450.
Dude, that's insane.
450 all-wheel drive.
Are you guys gonna do a purple powder coat on that too?
Purple powder coat. Well, actually, all the purple stuff's gonna go on that one. They flash how they blink.
Boy.
He has to be on for it to go into reverse.
Do appreciate you letting me
Yeah, of course.
touch my butt on your car.
Anytime, bro. Anytime, man. Later, bro. Stay safe, guys. Have a good day.
Peace, peace. I love Nissans, dog.
Bro, how do you feel, Johnny?
Dog, Nissan, man, Nissan life, boy.
Dude, I'm honestly shook right now because, like I was telling them inside, the Skyline is my dream car. And nothing, I'm not hating. R35s are very pretty, but 33s, 32s, and 34s are what I like, bro. So sitting in that shit right now, I was like, whoa!
Dog, well, like, with the sequence of my vlogs, by the end of this year, I'm gonna end up getting either an Evo or an R33, watch.
Dude, with the sequence of his vlogs, by the end of the year, I'm either gonna have a Pornhub premium account or I'm gonna be broke on the streets. Right? So it's like, let's hope it's Pornhub.
I'm a Pornhub account. What the fuck is this day, dude? This day just went weird as hell. Why are you so nice, bro? What? But the real MVP is right here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Compensate for your niceness.
Dog. Dude, your trunk setup is icy as fuck.
You think so?
It's icy.
Icy.
Dude, another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Like DJ Khaled.
Another one.
Another.
But that's a secret.
You just moved that
Yo,
shit
what
like
the
this?
fuck? That 370Z though, an A Poly collab coming soon, boy.
We're gonna have butt plugs and dildos.
Butt plugs and dildos. I'm with it.
Yes.